guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been such a long time. I haven't really been filming because you know, there's so many things going on. There's construction going on in my building and it's just so loud all the time that I feel like I don't want to film something and then it's just so annoying in the background. So I haven't been filming because of that, and so today I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna film. I don't care, I'll try my best to edit it. So if you do hear any noises in the background, I am so sorry. They're literally like right here in my balcony, like working on, I don't know what the hell they're working on because I don't see anything different. But if you hear anything, I apologize. So in today's video, I did this beautiful glowy bronzy makeup look. It's so perfect for the summer, and honestly guys, this is all I've been doing for the past, I don't know, a month. I do this every single time I go out. The only thing that I change is maybe the lipstick. I'll switch between red or this bright orange, and also I'll switch the hair, but for the most part I've been doing my hair like this. Just one, it's too hot to wear your hair down, and two, I'm just too lazy. But when I do change it up, I like to do some curls with this kind of look. It just makes me feel very J-Lo, very Latina, very, you know what I'm talking about. So if you guys want to see how I get this look, then keep on watching. Mwah. Alright, so I'm gonna start by working on the skin. So I'm gonna start with the Photo Finish by Smashbox. This is the water primer. I'm still so in love with this water primer, especially during the summer. It just feels so refreshing on the skin, and it just hydrates, and it doesn't feel like you add too much product on your skin. So I'm really loving that. Now for skin, although I want this look to be very glowy and very summer and very, you know, dewy, I am gonna do a very matte foundation because I do have oily skin. But I am gonna, you know, put some products on my face that is gonna make this look a little bit dewy looking without my oils coming out. So I'm gonna use the 24-hour Maybelline foundation. This is in the color Natural Beige. So it's been so long since I filmed. I feel like it's been like a whole month, but honestly the building where I live, it's been like under construction. I'm not sure what the hell they're doing, but there's so much noise all the time, and they're also working on the balconies, and so I use the natural light of my window. So they're usually like around here, literally by my window, and I'm like, I don't want to be filming and they're like, what the hell is this girl doing? So I haven't been filming because of that. Like, they're literally been working on this building forever, and so today they're still out there. So if you hear any loud noises, that's them. But I was like, screw that, I'm gonna go film. And so I decided to film this summer golden dewy makeup look. I'm gonna move on to concealer, and today I'm using the Pro Concealer by LA Girl, and this is in the color Natural. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out with my beauty blender. I'm gonna take this Japanese blending brush. I don't know what kind of brush it is, but it's just a very fluffy brush, and it's very small. And I'm gonna use that to get in this corner right here. I've been loving this brush so much for when the days that I don't do like a full glam and I just do like concealer and a little bit of mascara. I love this just because the way it blends it, it looks very natural, because I feel like when you like blend it with your beauty blender, it kind of packs the color or the foundation or the concealer like really nice into your skin. So when you just add concealer and you don't add anything else on your face like foundation, you can kind of see the difference. So I like to go in with this foundation or with this brush and blend my concealer for the days that I don't do foundation, and it just looks pretty natural, and it just looks very like airbrush. Alright, so before I set my face with powders, I do want to add a little bit of glow. So I'm going to be using the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. I love this product especially for the summer, because like I said, I still use very matte products because I have oily skin, but I like to give the illusion of a glowy skin by using products like this. I'm going to add some to my hand. and then apply it with my beauty blender. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and set my foundation and my concealer, and I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm going to press that powder all around my face to kind of set the foundation as well. So as you can tell, even though I set my entire face with powders, I still have the glow from the shimmery skin perfector. Now I'm going to be adding a little bit of browns to my face, so I'm going to be using the MAC Gimme Sun, and I usually use like an angle brush, but today I'm going to be using this big fluffy brush because I want to get a bronzy look and not much of a contour, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to use something that is not going to be very precise into my face, so I'm just going to give myself an overall bronze. Now I'm going to just take my MAC Prep and Prime water spray and I'm going to set my face. We're going to leave the skin like that for now, and I'm going to move on to eyes. And so for today's look, I'm doing a very, simple, very glowy, very bronze kind of look. I'm going to start by using this Clay Waterproof Bronzer by Tarte. And I'm just going to use that as a transition. This color does have a little bit of shimmer. It's not like glitter or anything, but it does have a shimmer, and I normally don't use a shimmer for my transition color, but since we're going for a very glowy and bronzy look, I really don't mind. And like I said, it's not like a crazy glow, it's just like a little bit of shimmer. So I'm gonna start and just pretty much add that to my eye. So now that we have built some kind of color into our crease, I'm going to go ahead and use this Carli Bybel Becca Cosmetics palette. And I really like this palette because it has a lot of glowy, bronzy, shimmery colors. So I'm going to take this one right here and just add it to my eyelid. And by the way, these eyeshadows do not need setting spray. They go on very, very nice, and they're very pigmented. I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to take this gold shadow right here and add it to the inner corner of my eye. And now I'm just going to take a pencil brush and add a little bit of color in my bottom line as well. And I'm just going to use the same shade that I use for my crease. Now I'm just prepping my lashes to add on some falsies, and I'm using the Telescopic mascara by L'Oreal. Alright, so for lashes today, I'm going to be using this Ardell Demi Wispies. This is like a different version from the Demi Wispies. This one is a little bit more, they're like extra wispy. They're called Fox Mink. And they're just so, I don't know, they look so pretty on. Like, honestly, like, obviously they look fake, but they look so realistic. They look like you just have very, like, flirtatious eyes. I just love these ones. I know they are probably like $2-3 more than the regular Ardell, but honestly, they're still pretty on the, drugstore size. Alright, so lashes are on, and now I'm going to move on to highlighter, and I'm going to be using the same palette that I used to do my eyes, the Carli Bybel palette. And I'm going to be taking a few shades. Actually, I'm going to be taking this goldish gold, like rose gold shade, but I'm going to be mixing it with a little bit of the one that I use for my eyes. Taking a small brush, I'm gonna add some to the tip of my nose and right here in the center of my eyes, and also my cupid's bow. And for lips, I'm going to be using this NYX lip liner, and this is in the color orange. That's the name. Let me take some of this foundation off. Now for lips, I like to do red lipstick or, you know, nude lipstick when I do this kind of like makeup look, because it kind of goes with everything. But when I'm wearing like white or black and, you know, I'm not wearing too much eye makeup, I like to do like a bright orange. It's just, I don't know, it's just like the perfect color for the summer. So one of my favorites at the moment is the Dose of Colors. This is actually the Desi and Katie collection, and this is Hot Fire. I know I posted a picture on my Instagram with this specific lipstick, and I got a few comments about what color it was. So it was this one. It's just such a beautiful orange red color, and I literally love it. Now I'm gonna be setting my spray, now I'm gonna be setting my face one more time with the MAC Prep and Prime, just to set everything. And you guys, this is the final look. This is literally the same exact look that I do every single time when I feel too lazy to do makeup but I still want to look super glam. And it's also very summery, very glowy, very bronzy. So I hope you guys really like this video. I apologize again if there was a lot of noise in the background. Like I said, there's construction, so I am sorry. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to click on the little bell so it notifies you every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so I hope you guys really enjoy this tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next one.